This is the second video of tool integration series between Qlikview and Tableau. Uh, you may want to refer the first video where we described how to create dashboards in Qlikview. In this video, using the same data set wherein we have family details, family name, age, gender, monthly income, education, poverty line, employed or status. Um, we will try to use the same data set as we used for Qlikview in my previous video, and we'll try to create a dashboard here. So you may refer the first video of the series. So let's see how to use the same data set in Tableau. So I have this Tableau server. I click on connect to data, and Tableau is again an emerging tool in the market for BI reporting. It can connect to any database as like Qlikview. It can connect to Oracle, SQL, Teradata, any you can think of. Click on text file. The file which we discussed is in text. I click on family children.csv, the file we just saw, and this is an export functionality here. You want to export and click on OK. So this Tableau provides a very special functionality wherein it asks you to connect directly to a database or a server with a connect live option, or you can import the data in Qlikview and Qlikview will host the data. It is one of the most fastest way of accessing data to get data inside Qlikview, but this would also result into stale data. You can refresh the Tableau extract with that, but let's go ahead and do a connect live option for now. And on the left you can see a list of objects or columns which are in the data set. Now compared to Qlikview, in the Qlikview, to insert or get the data we use the script functionality, right? You can drag and drop education here. So you have rows and columns. It's kind of a cross tab report. You can have number of columns. So look at this. This is pre-generated calculation in which we can use it directly for our reporting. But remember in Qlikview we had to create that calculation in the box, right? Obviously you can Qlikview also provides a lot of pre-calculated columns. Don't take me wrong here, but here directly the cards are available. So I can get forward line. We'll try to do exactly similar to what we did for Qlikview, and you can see the number of records. That means the number of people above or below poverty line. There is a show me option on the top right. This will help you to change the kind of graph you are looking at the data set. It's very easy. So let me keep it had, and I uncheck this show me. I can create another sheet. This is sheet 2, and I can say here BD PS2 In this, I can add any columns, like in columns here. I want to find out monthly income, and I want to highlight it uh, by poverty line, or employed or not, or education. You can pick a column. So okay. So if you look at it, it's a great tool for doing analysis. There are a lot of functionalities which I'll be describing in a separate training series. Now this is a graph which we have created. So I have two sheets, BDCS1 and BDCS2, and you can see the last tab. This is dashboard. So you can combine all the sheets together to form one single dashboard. Remember, in one sheet you can have multiple objects, but in Tableau you have to create uh, different objects in different layers, right? And it's more of a cross tab. The kind of presentation is different, but they both have a very good potential to become the leaders in reporting. So I drag and drop BDCS1 and I can arrange or lay out this. So this is pretty big. I can resize it like this, and I can get the second sheet as well, and it shows where to drop this sheet. Now once you have this, save it, and also okay, now I saved it and I can publish it to the server. So this is a workbook. I can publish workbook and I push it to the server. I type in admin password and I click on sign in. That is publishing the workbook to the server. Once published, we can log on to the Tableau server, which is web-based server, and we can see the book which we have published. The similar kind of server functionality is available in Qlikview, wherein you can see the reports which you have published on the server, but you cannot modify it on the server on the web. Qlikview doesn't provide a functionality of web authoring as Tableau does. So Tableau is a better web functionality based on my opinion of creating and modifying editing reports. So you can see here that the dashboard is published, and I'm opening the web-based version of the dashboard which we created in the desktop too. It's opening up. You can edit the dashboard from here. You can play around, you can edit, you can save, you can do lots of functionalities on the web itself. If I say keep only, it is going to refresh and just keep this. You can save this version, you can say remember my changes, and you create your own custom view. You can overwrite the view which you created in the desktop and put it on the server, and say test 1, and you can just say remember. So you can save the filter options as well. You can save filters, you can send it to various people, you can add comments. There are a lot of functionalities which Tableau server can provide. I'll give you details in my next series of videos. I hope you enjoyed it. Please put your questions across to me and I'm happy to help. Thank you for watching this video.